Ayun. Dahil may assignment si Shervin.
My mom is also vlogging din. We're
Yes.
a vlog team.
Yeah, we are a vlogger. And the other one is a booger. Kami lang ang tao. So, hulaan nyo, nasaan kami? Kami ay nasaan tayo?
Baguio Museum.
Yeah. So, we are allowed to take videos and photos here inside that Baguio Museum. So, ililibot namin kayo. May assignment kasi si Shervin, so we need to take several photos and videos.
The history of Baguio is here, ma'am.
Yes. So you explain, what are we doing here?
Art is intertwined with history, and therefore I need to show the history of the art
Okay.
within this place.
Okay. So where are we going to start?
Kasi it's living in Sarili.
How about here in Ibaya? Look at the art. Oh, look at the pieces. Oh my goodness, it's detailed. Look at that.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. And the sound. It's really, the sound of Igorot. Would you imagine that, Shervin, no? Benguet and Orbagi is very cold, but look at what they are wearing.
They were used to the lamig na.
Yes. I think they are using a parang nganga or something to fight the cold.
Diba,
Look at that.
Ifugao is an actual, place
Yes, it's a province.
in Baguio.
Yes. No. Baguio is part of Benguet. Baguio City.
I think Benguet is in the other side, ma'am.
Yes, Benguet is in the other side. Oh. Why are you not vlogging?
I'm shy in front
You
of
are
the
shy?
vlogging master.
Oh my goodness gracious. How can we be vlogger together?
Oh my,
And we are a tandem team.
oh my goodness.
You know, I've been here already. One of the, Tita Ditas. Tita Ditas used to live in this kind of hut. You know, one of the common house in Benguet. And I even visited Banawe Terraces. Banawe Terraces is one of the
Rice.
rice terraces.
Very nice.
Look at their tribe. Look at that.
Is he still in Baguio?
No, this one no.
It's
It's in Ifugao.
Ifugao, but
Kalinga.
it's in
Bodong, something like that. This one is in Benguet, Mountain Province. So it's really kind of bit different culture maybe. So you have to explain. Where are we?
We're in the
Nako,
history of the Philippines.
Mountain Province, no? So
Look at
pasensya na
this.
po kayo since December 23, no? May mga sakit po kami. This one is in Ifugao. Look at that, Ifugao. This one is in Abra and Apayao. So
These
let's
were
go
the
upstairs.
different kinds of bahay.
Sorry po kami ay may mga sakit. Sa ganitong bahay, nakapunta na ako.
Mami, I need to start na my own vlog.
O sige. Cut that. Kimata, meal double transport basket. Ayan, Ate Shirley.
So, let's go check that.
Gusto mo ba magpamassage mamaya?
Oo.
Ito pala kilala si Papa babae.
Ah, talaga? Magaling ba? Sige. Yan. Narinig niyo yan. Lilibre daw niya ako massage. Tahon kasi ako ng tahon. So, we are at the second floor. Yan, diretso upload na po ito. Hindi ko na ito i-edit pa, no? So, nandito tayo sa history ng Baguio City. Yan, si Kuya Simon dito nag-elementary sa Baguio. Ilan taong ka ba nag-aaral dito, Kuya Simon?
years?
3 years? Ayan.
1 hanggang
Grade 1 hanggang...
grade 2 yata.
Oh, yun. So, look at this place. History of Baguio City. A melting pot. Gustong gusto ko lang dito, anak, yung story ni ni Golden Buddha. The first carnival queen. Oh my goodness. It was Baguio's first carnival queen. Proclaimed in 1915. Carnival hindi cannibal. They still got third floor. Oh, may third floor pa. Mayors of the century. Baguio's first institution. What is this? Oh, wow. So this is Baguio Museum. Abanao area. Oh, ito pala yung Abanao area nung unang panahon. Oh. Ngayon wala ka na makikita space. Simon, let's go up. Ah, anong meron dun? Oh, ito yung Baguio Cathedral. American soldier at the bottom of Session Road. This is Session Road nung unang panahon. Look at that, oh. Diba, importante rin yan, Simon, makita mo yung history na kung saan ka nakatira. Diba? Importante rin yan, no? Alam mo, pag nasa ibang bansa ako, Simon, lagi ko pinupuntahan, museum. Oh, look at this one, no? Pines Hospital at Harrison Road. Look at Harrison Road nung unang panahon. And look at now. Oh, the mansion, no? The mansion. Tagal na nung the mansion, no? Ito yung una. Oh, Wright Park. Look at Wright Park nung unang panahon and look at now. Wow. And what is this one? Oh, this is the map. Kanina nag-drive ako ng Baguio City. My goodness, paikot-ikot lang ako. Nakailan na kami na nagawa na assignment dito sa Baguio. Paikot-ikot ako. Yun at yun din ang karsada. At napaka-traffic po ngayon. Banda doon, no? Look at that. That is going to SM City Baguio. Napakanuknukan ng traffic. Dito medyo maluwag, oh. Pero doon, oh, look at that side. Oh my. Meron kang gustong bilhin, hindi mo mabibili. Bakit? Bakit hindi mo mabibili? Kasi wala kang mapagpaparkingan. Bukod sa wala kang mapagpaparkingan, bawal din ang mga parking sa kalsada.
Wala siya dati.
Tama, may matututunan ka talaga sa museum.
Dati palang hospital yung Jollibee.
Ngayon, ano na siya, Pines Harrison Road, yung dating Pines Hospital. Let's go to third floor. Grabe. Pasensya na po hindi ko na to i-edit. Upload ko lang. Para may memories yung gala namin dito sa Baguio. Off ko na muna. Up to part 2.